Every time I bring this guy, because we ain't got no wristband. We're sneaking into the LA Convention Center. Why? Because we pulled up. Now they're like, well, you can't come because we keep getting stopped by all the cigarettes because we ain't wearing no wristband. Hey, do you model? Do you model?
Where you been? I can't see.
Oh. Hey, when you see this video,
You feel like a weakness.
hell, man, such a bully.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna say this one time. Fuck Nissan Z's.
All right, y'all, Big Daniel, Import Life Media, and today, as of right now, yeah, I brought Andy with me. There he is right there. About to try to fly his drone again. Hopefully he doesn't get lost. Where are we at? Yeah, looking weird, right? Where are we? We're sneaking into the LA Convention Center. Why? Because we pulled up for CaliCreaming ImportExpo. And there's so much traffic down here in LA that we got lost. So I said, you know what? Let's gangster this and let's sneak in. We in the back, dog. We about to get in here. If you know LA, you can get in anywhere. You just gotta have the gift of gab and the looks like me. Hello. Hey, like and subscribe to start this video. Let's see what happens. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. As always, let's see what they talk about. Let's do this. Man, you about to lose it again, dog.
No, I'm not.
Why isn't it on? Why is it just sitting there?
I have to wait for the satellites to connect.
Satellites.
It's gotta connect to satellites. Yes.
Isn't that just Bluetooth?
No, it's not Bluetooth, it's satellites. It goes up in the air.
Yeah, and it's connected to that like a remote control car.
No, it's not the same thing. I gotta make sure it's connected so that it doesn't, what happened last time doesn't happen again.
Dude, we're gonna be out for 4 days just so we can fly up and around, man. Every time I bring this guy. Under pressure. Dun, 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 dun.
Ours goes ding, 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 diggy, ding, ding. That little bitty chain.
Dun, 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 dun. What up, what up?
Hey,
how you doing?
Well, command, seen you guys right here with the drone on.
Yeah.
You guys can't fly it right here.
We top flight security of the world, Craig.
Okay.
So hold on. So okay. So we're media. So he's just gonna go up and just do like a. He's not going nowhere. He's going up just to circle around, and then we have to go in and do the show. So
Yeah, it'll take 2 seconds.
I'll let them know, but
no, it's literally gonna take 2 seconds. It's just up an aerial view because you know the cameras. It's gonna spin around. You know what I mean? So it gets a little, and it's gonna come back down. Then we're going inside. Yeah. So what's your name?
Pete.
Daniel.
Nice to
Pleasure,
meet
man.
you.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
No, I understand because yeah, we're not doing all that. After harassment, he got it flying.
I forgot to hit record.
Idiot. So let's just hope he can land that thing. Yeah, all right. Let's get up in here, man. Andy's wild. Got security guards coming after us and all that. Man, let's get inside this show, dog. We just snuck in right now, and then they keep on telling us about getting a band, get it back. Hey, Andy, look for where the front's at. That says exit. So right now, all the security guard keeps stopping us because we ain't got no wristband. We parked in the back, stuck it through the back. We about to get ourselves a wristband right now because we know people. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Oh, shit, my boy. Yeah.
How you doing, man?
Chilling, hell yeah. Huh?
Liking the show?
Yeah, we was in the back doing some filming, and now they're like, oh, you ain't got no wristband. I'm like, well, we already paid, but I have to go just grab it real quick. But
Hey, go ahead.
you know what I'm saying? Everything's dope, yeah. Hell yeah.
What are we doing right now, Dave?
We snuck into the back,
Yes.
parked.
Yeah.
We walked into the back,
Yes,
parked.
sir.
Before that, we illegally flew a drone without no permission. Invaded airspace. And now they're like, oh, you can't come because we keep getting stopped by all the security guards because we ain't wearing no wristbands.
So we
And they're
need
like,
wristbands.
Hey man, give me some damn wristbands. You're gonna be like, okay. We're gonna get a wristband. Thank you, I appreciate you.
Oh, you gotta put yours on. You gotta put mine on me. No. Yeah. You gotta put mine on me.
Paying it forward?
Yeah, you make him do it. Come on.
Damn, man. You're such a bully.
Oh yeah.
Gotta be gentle. You know what I mean? Gotta be nice.
Yeah, I got those tiny little lady wrists.
Man. There it is.
Appreciate you.
I appreciate you.
Appreciate you appreciating me.
No, it's not you. It's Chew. Appreciate you.
Chew.
Chew. Appreciate you. Told you. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Who's gonna deny me? Nobody. Who's gonna say no to me? Nobody. We do this out here, man. Import Life Media, we go where nobody else is gone. Booty hole.
By car.
Andy loves miniatures and he loves RC cars. Like, yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Look at this guy.
He's dedicated.
He's so sick. Are they eating right now? These guys over there in the car.
Andy.
Oh, he spun out. Oh, you can't do that.
Right here, boots.
I was like, okay. I was like,
Okay, I see the car. I just have to find the person. Where is Stitch 5.0? Where is she? There's the car. What?
I've never met her.
I know, I'm looking for her. That's what I said. Like, we see the car.
She was here.
She's somewhere.
Yeah.
Remember, I always got to sneak up on her.
Yeah.
I got to catch her before she catches me. Creeping over here, trying to find Stitch. Hey, all black. Look at this little quick lineup of these Mercedes right here, man. Got this Horde Benz wagon. Damn, okay, that's nice. Yeah. AMG E63S. So then I was like walking away and I turned back around. I was like, damn, what's this one? Sheesh. Then I turned around and I was like, damn, another one. Uh-oh, hey, Chris Brown, C Breezy, my boy, this is for you. This one right here. Hey, dog. I know you said for us to roll around together, but we both ain't fitting in that thing, dog. You're gonna have to hop in there solo, and I'm gonna just pick it up and put it in my pocket.
Dude, I'm gonna say this one time. Nissan Zs. I know they come with the LSDs like standard, that's fine, but Nissan 350Zs can go suck a dude. Like,
who hurt you? What's wrong, man? I'm not gonna get to, I'm about to say, ask him what kind of car he likes. Nutting over the rabbit. His boo said, a Nissan Z, but I love me some rabbits.
Nissan made good cars in the 80s, you know, then they started making that Z body type, and it sucks. It just sucks. It looks like.
Okay, what about the 300ZX?
That's a different story.
It's not, because it's a Z. It's part of it.
No, that's a ZX. It's a ZX.
And then it came in twin turbo. They came like.
No, that's a fine car. But you know what I'm talking about? The little stupid like bubble butt, like hatchback.
Hey, you guys can hate him, not me. Okay.
I should say it in a more less serious way.
Okay, say it in a nice way.
Nissan 350Zs have a little bubble butt, like little hatchback style thing that looks ugly, and I don't like it.
So to all you Z owners out there, he doesn't like your ass. He doesn't like that bubble.
Come at me. I won't do anything.
I found her. Let's creep up on her. Here we go.
And first place goes to Daryl with the Liberty Walk R35.
Where you been? I didn't see you.
Oh, hey, when you see this video, the whole day, I'm like, okay, I see Stitch's car. Where is she?
She's
and
gone today.
I was talking to everybody else. They're like, well, she's this way, she's that way. Then,
I am all over the place,
dude,
like always.
and I was like, we have this game. I have to find her before she finds me, for sure.
Oh, you did.
Yeah, you look good.
I just got cold.
Oh, yeah, I see you. I see. Get
First place. That's Chevy, first place. Goes to Lev of the 2018 Corvette. That's Chevy.
The first one.
The white one. The white one.
3-1.
Joseph
First time.
C.
Yeah.
Didn't feel like a witness.
Hey man, this is like cars for days, but I swear, Andy pops up, disappears. Like he was just next to me. Where is Andy at?
See how hard it is to find Andy.
And what's crazy is he's wearing a mint green shirt and I still can't find him, and I see over everybody.
A Where's Daniel segment.
Oh yeah, no, I just did a Where's Andy segment too. All right, man, show's over, did the awards, we walking out. All the cars are everywhere. I'm trying not to get hit. Make sure, please, you like and subscribe. Let me know how you like the show, man. Let me know what cars stood out to you, which ones you like. But if you don't follow me on here, follow me on IG at Import Life Media. And as always, man, be good to yourself, be good to others. And before I say my little catchphrase, I'm gonna leave you with something. It's 2026. Hey, get those cars built. All right, y'all. Peace.